वंदे गुरुन् पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् आपदामपहन्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Danmat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज, नितला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज, all Sirupanu Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So we are hearing Ram Katha, pastimes of Sri Ramchandra. Last Thursday we heard how is last was what? Sunday, last Sunday. Today is Thursday. You heard how is Hanuman burn Lanka and give a strong message to Raman. Hanuman said, Raman, be careful. Don't think Ram is like one human, ordinary person. He is doing this Leela human form, but is not human. His body is transcendental, Sachidanand. जाके डर अति काल डराही जे सुर असुर चराचर खाही तासु बैर कबहु न कीजिए मोरे कहा जानकी दीजिए। जाके डर अति काल डराई जे सुर असुर चराचर खाई। Death kill everyone. He killed to demigods, he killed to asuras, he killed to living and unliving, all identities, all jivas. But that call also fear from Ramchandra. जाके डर अति काल डराई. Call also fear. So he is the death of death. He is the controller of everyone. So don't make him enemy. Tasu Bairu Kabahu na kijiye. Ram is the soul of soul. He is the conscious of conscious. Nityam Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam. So how we can make him enemy? So just here to my bird or return to Janki Devi. This way he was auspicious, otherwise not any auspicious. Very strong message said, against to Ram, any power, any position, getting, not getting, same. Ram Vimukh Sampati Prabhutai Jai Rehe Pai Binu Pai. So Hanuman when said this time, that time wife of Raman Mandodari, she came. You just hear, return to Janki Devi. Don't bring to death, don't bring all Asuras problem. He's just playing and make bridge on ocean. He just one arrow shoot to Bali. He killed to Khardushan Tirsira. who broken Shiv Dhanush just lightly, very easily. So, whose name, which Darshan Parshuram forget himself and surrender. So, that proves don't be against. Then Raman, no hearing to Mandodari bird, saying, glorifying Ramchandra, glorifying to me. Then Mandodari realized, my husband's time came. This causes proper things, no understanding properly. It's making one meaning, another meaning. This type illusions, not good. That time, Raman's mantris, who was father of Mandodari, his name is Malyavan. He's very old or very experienced. He also said to Raman, Vibhishan also came. He also touching to Raman's feet and saying, I am your younger brother. He gave me so much love and affection. This cause I am telling something, you just keep this love and affection forever. So just return to Janki Devi. Don't go under Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh. This way, people only go to hell. They cannot develop his life. Kam, Krodh, Mad, Lobh, Nath, Narak ke Panth, Sab Parihari Raghubir hi bhajam bhajahi jahisan. All devotees, all rishis munis are doing bhajan of Ramchandra. He also surrendered to that Ramchandra. Lust, anger, greed, illusions, attachment, this is not good. This all leave and surrender to Ram. So just return to Janki Devi. Don't think Ram is one human. He is death of death. Same word what Hanuman said, these things, this way Vibhishan everything explaining to Raman. Then Raman very angry, was saying whole life eating my bread, my chapatis, or now taking shelter to enemy. Jiyasi sada sat mor jiyavan, ripukar pach mood to hi bhava. Jiyasi sada sat mor jiyava, ripukar pach mood to hi bhava. You are living by me, I give all facility to you. And now is taking sight of enemy. So Raman saying, if not become mine, what become to Ram? You are not proper person. So he's out of control and by feet kick to Vibhishan. Go, and this Rajnitis, this politics, this all rule regulation teach to Ram. No need to teach to me. जब वही रामन विभीषण त्यागा, when Raman hit to Vibhishan, Vibhishan is still sadhu's nature. Someone hit, somewhat too much, make disturbance, but still sadhus always want everyone auspicious. Raman hit, but Vibhishan saying still, I think still you do Ram bhajan. This way you are auspicious. तुम पितु सरिस भलेहु मोहि मारा, राम भजौ हित नाथ तुम्हारा. You are my elder brothers, like father. You have right to control me and proper way chastise. But you will beat me and you will not happy my bird. This cause I not speak right thing. It's not possible. Still I can say do Ram bhajan. This way you are auspicious. Because all mantris are just following to Raman. What Raman like, they sing as yes, very good. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur Goswami Prabhupada one story saying, one master and his servant. Servant always look to his Prabhu, what he like. Then one said, his Prabhu said, oh, baigan is very good, eggplant is very good. He says very good. He's so much glorifying to eggplant. But after he said, no, this is begun, no any qualities. Then he's again criticizing, start to criticize. He's saying potato very good. He says very good. He says potato is very bad. He says very bad. Then servant asking, owner asking, master asking to servant, hey, what your opinion? Saying my opinion, your opinion. What you like, I like. What you don't like, I don't like. This is called Thakur Suhati. No means just according to face talk. What is good, bad, not things. So Raman asking to his all another ministers, what I do this situation? All are saying, keep quiet, nothing to think. Because these humans or monkey, what will do to us? If they will come, then very good. We can nicely make breakfast, lunch, dinner. So they talk like that. Master Ram, keep quiet, don't speak about that. But Vibhishan said, no. If minister speak like that, सचिव गुरु वैद तिनी जो बोला है प्रिय भय आस राज धर्म तन तिनी कर बेगी होई नास. If minister and guru and doctor, if they under pressure, under greed, some business, some own interest, by fear speak something, no truth things telling. If minister speak like this, then country will, king will destroy. If guru speak by fear, not proper siddhant, then our bhajan, our bhakti, our dharmas, bhakti dharma will destroy. Or if doctor not proper give treatment or no proper diagnosis, then our body lose. So Raj Dharma tan tini kar hoi beginas. This is the nitis. So Raman say, okay, teach this nitis to that tapasvis. जब ही रावण विभीषण त्यागा आजो हीन भयऊ तब ही अभागा. When Ravan left to Vibhishan, that time Raman, what age was this all gone, means no more life. Vibhishan is sadhus, devotees, or when devotees disrespect, no any auspicious. साधु अवज्ञा कर तुरंत भवानी कर कल्याण आखिर कर हानि. Anyone if disrespect to sadhus, then Shiva is saying, oh Parvatis, all auspicious, all goodness, everything immediately destroy. साधु अवज्ञा कर तुरंत भवानी कर कल्याण अखिल कर हानि. So Raman's what auspicious was, everything lost. He becomes Srihin. No more goodness, no more good things. That time Vibhishan fly in sky with 4 ministers, his 4 mantris. And he said, no one blame to me. How much possible I try to speak truth to Raman, my brother, but he not here to me. So this situation I am going to lotus feet of Ramchandra. I sheltering to Ramchandra. This way announced and came to nearby Ram. Ram is this side to do how to cross. So they are saying, just pray. Maybe he will give us way. If not, then we will see. But Lakshman not like this thing. Anyhow, that situation, that time Ramchandra here sitting on Vibhishan came. Sugriv saying, Prabhu, brother of Raman's coming. Ramchandra said, okay, what do you think? Sugriv saying, this situation, Vibhishan coming to our place, we have some doubt. Because Raman is learned people. He knows Rajniti. Very soon war will start. At this situation, he will freely leave to Vibhishan and send to here That means he like to ever secret thing, know everything. This situation is Vibhishan not under Raman, no control Raman, but Raman can put him in jail. After war can leave. This time sent to Vibhishan. So maybe inside some another planning is going. Ram said, yes, this Nit is, but Vibhishan is no Saranagat. He is fully surrendering to me. On my nature, Saranagat, give shelter. Who want to surrender, give shelter. शरणागत के जे त्याग ही निज हानि अनुमानी ते नर पामर पाप मैं तिन ही बिलोकत हानि. If someone thinks this person surrendered to me after how much damage to me, this cause fear or no give to shelter, this type person not good, very sinful. If see this type person face, not auspicious. So Ram saying, anyhow Vibhishan coming, I will give him shelter. I no look to what he did before. Even someone killed many cows, many Brahmins, did many nonsense. But from today saying, what I did, no more. Like Jagai Madhai said, no, ar nare baap. कोटि विप्र बद लागहि जाहूं, आए शरण तजहु नहीं ताहूं, तज छल कपट मद मन नाना, करहूं तही सद साधु समान. निर्मल जन मन सो मोहि पावा, मोहि छल छिद्र कपट नहीं भाव. If really Vibhishan fully surrendered to me, I will give him shelter. If Vibhishan heart some duplicity, some cheating mood, some blackmailing, he cannot reach to me. Because whose heart is fully clean, no any anarthas, no any desire, only this type people can see me, get me. Who have so much hypocrisy and so much cheating mood, many inside no bad quality desire, these people cannot reach to me. Another thing, I know scare from Asuras, Rakshas, because my brother Lakshman, whole worldly Rakshas in can 5 second, 5 minute kill. Jagmoh निशाचर जेते लक्ष्मण जीता ही निमिष महते थे. Lakshman one nimish, like how long eye blinking, no? He can destroy whole Asuras. When Hanuman heard, Prabhu, how is Saranagat Vatsal? Then saying, Jai ho Saranagat Vatsal Bhagwan ki Jai. Kai Hanuman Saranagat Vatsal Bhagwan. Hanuman very happy because first time in life God to Vibhishan. And one person he bring to Ramchandra lotus feet. Is no talk about quality of Ram, saying Ram how kind. I am no monkey. A monkey no good nature. Our nature always like to sit on Prabhu's head. Ramchandra sitting on underneath trees and monkeys are jumping on one branch to another branch. That means they are on top, on head. But this type people's Prabhu gives so much affection, so much love. Look, me. प्रात ले जय नाम हमारा, ताहि दिन मिले न ताहि आहारा. Monkey's name is not good. If morning speak some name of monkey, whole day cannot get food. Monkey whole day looking for food. These people also whole day disturbed. But Asmai Adam Sakha Mopar Raghubir. This time monkeys, this type fallen, but Ram gives so much mercy. So Hanuman, this mood, this bhav, said to Vibhishan how Ram like, how love his bhaktas. So this thing Vibhishan heard, on today he fully surrendered, came to close Ramchandras and fully Sastang Pranam, Dandvat Pranam. He dropped like a stick, holding hand and saying, Sravan Sujas Sun Ayam, Prabhu Bhanjan Bhavabhir, Trahi Trahi, Arat Harana, Saran Sukhad Raghubir. I so much heard about you from Hanuman. He own devotees, all problem destroy. So trahi trahi pahi mam pahi mam. You are so merciful, I am so fallen. Tu dayalu deen ho, tu dani ho bhikhari. You are big donor, I am big beggar. Ho prasidh pataki tu paap punjahari. I am big, very famous sinner, brother of Raman. So you can understand which time my bad luck, so sinful person. Actually, Vibhishan not like that, but this is nature of devotees, always humble, no? Always lamenting. Hu prasidh pataki tu paap punjahari. You are destroyer of mountain of pap, sin. So for me, nothing. So destroy. Nath tu anath ko anath kaun moso. You are Prabhu of all anath, all who have no any orphan jiva, no? Who are orphan.
No protector.
No protector, for them you protect your nath. Nath tu anath ko anath kaun moso. If now compare, then I big anath. I have no one. Often. My brother left and everything, nothing. I have no brother, no sodaro, na jan ko, na janini, na jaya, naivat majo, na kulam, na vipulam balamba. Sandrisate na kila ko api sahayako me tasmat tvameva sarnang mama dina bandhu. I have no brother, no families, no father, no mother, no so much strength, power, no any protector. So now fully surrender to you. If anyone saying like that, I am very fallen, I am very low, very small, if immediate accept to these people. So I am fully surrendered to you. Ramchandra says, yes. If one time anyone says, Sakirdapi parpannaya tavaham astu jachate, abhayam sarvabhute bhyo dadami etad vratam. If one time one body say, I fully surrender to you, I am yours, I cannot stay without you, immediate I give him shelter. I give fearless to everyone. So, नाथ तू अनाथ को अनाथ कौन मोसो मो समान आरत नहीं आरती हर तो. So I am so lamenting on you, destroyer of all artis. ब्रह्म तू हो जीव तू हो है ठाकुर हो चेरो. You are Brahma, I am Jiva. You are Prabhu, I am your servant. So you are my mother, father, parents, guru, sakha, everything. With you have many relations. So according to my ruchi, you give me that relationship, which time I want your service. So anyhow I can take your service. Ramchandra said, oh Lankesh, you are okay, all auspicious. Kaha Lankesh kusal tumhara. You are staying very wrong place. Ramchandra is saying, if someone stay hell, is still good, but bad sangha more than bad hell. Baru bas narak kar tata dust sang na deyi vidhata. Ramchandra is saying, if staying hell is still good, but bad association more bad than hell. Vibhishan says, yes. Ramchandra says, in Lanka, how can following your rule, regulation, dharma? Saying, yes, but very scared, very fear. I'm staying like 32 teeth, tongue. But today I'm surrendered to you, so I'm not looking what before happened. Purva itihas bhulinu sakala seva sukha peye mane tumi to amar ami to tomar ki kaj apar dhane. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this mood of Sarnagatis. All previous history I forget. Today only one thing I remembering. You are mine, I am yours. This is the big property. More than that, this what need? Immediate Ramchandra not just said him Lankesh. Lankesh was Raman, but Ramchandra is saying, you are Lankesh, you are king of Lanka. So, brother, Ramchandra accept him like friend, like Sakha. Oh brother, my darshan, not useless. I know you have no any desire, but something I want to give myself. This is my happiness. So ask, bring ocean's water, and immediate Ramchandra did Rajyabhishek, make Vibhishan Lanka's king of Lanka. When all devotees, all monkeys and bearers looking, they're so happy. How is Prabhu kind? Who have no any energy, no any power, nothing to do, but this person give big position, big power. You are Lankesh. So according to all ministers' suggestions, Ramchandra is praying to oceans, give me bear. Ramchandra many mantras, many chandas, many slokas, reciting to oceans, but ocean. This fire, air, water, sky, they are no jad. Jad means, huh?
No conscience.
No conscious. So Ramchandra said, Lakshman, this is too much. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but still is no hearing. Bring my Pavaksar, this fire arrow, Agnayastra. Because bhai binu na hoi priti. He don't know, he's just thinking I'm ordinary person. I have no power, this cause I'm lamenting. So sometimes rude people thinks lamenting is, prayer is big persons doing prayers. Powerful person always attacking. But prayer is not weakness. This is more strongness. Because you have all quality, all power, still you lamenting, you are praying. This is qualities. So when he's angry and like to shoot, like to drive ocean, then oceans and inside oceans, all jivas, all fish and all turtles or another crocodile and shark, they all start to cry, disturb. That time oceans, his form came, big pot, many jewels bringing, many upahar gift, and saying, we are no jad, foolish. ढोल गवार शूद्र पशु नारी सकल ताड़ना के अधिकारी. We are no ढोल, this many birds said no. Gawar, ढोल means drum. If drum no beat, no sound. Sudras, pasu, animals, well, foolish people, if not chastise, then no control. So you chastise me, a good lesson give to me. So Prabhu, this Nal or Nil, two brothers, they young age got benediction of rishis. Nal Nil kapi doi bhai, ladkai te rishi asis pai. If they touch any stone, any mountain, that will not sink inside water. Or this way make bridge, whole world can sing your glories, your pastimes. That many monkeys running many directions, big mountain carrying and bringing their that big stones writing Ram Nam Pratapte Sindhu Tarai Pasan. This is the power of Ramchandra's name. This all stones are floating. So if a stone can float, we are why sinking inside oceans of material world, because we have no that much faith and belief. बिनु विश्वास भक्ति नहीं, तेहि बिनु द्रवउ न रामु, राम कृपा बिना जीव सपने न लह विश्राम. In bhakti necessary strong faith, strong belief. What Guru Vaishnava Shastra is saying, that is right, correct. If not getting result, this is our mistake, this is our weakness. There's not any problem. See, if that stone can floating, why we cannot cross death and birth ocean? Must cross. Follow to Mahaprabhu word, all Guru Varga's word, they written, ke javi re bhai, bhava sindhu par, dhanna kali jugare chaitanya. So These Harinam's boat were sitting, they must cross. Who are getting Gurudev's mercies, they must cross. Gurudev's mercy fully believe. They are no envious, jealous, or no any type, no become engaged to Gurudev's birds. Then he will cross all, full belief. So bridge ready. At that time, Raman sent one messenger. Raman also like to look Ram side what is going. They are looking. How is no? Ramchandra gave Vibhishan kingdom. How is respect? How is behavior? This messenger previous life was one Muni. Curse of Durvasa Rishis, he become Rakshas. So he looked this, and after he cannot hold his nature, he is saying, Jai Ram, Sri Ram, Jai Prabhu. Then all monkeys are catching, saying, you are enemies, spy. And here making another drama, they start to beating. Then saying, who will beat? Promise to Ramchandra. Then they laughed him. Name of Ramchandra, who can beat? Then he came to Ram. Lakshman gave one letter and said to Raman, just sitting or talking not enough. Last chance. You can return to Sita Devi, then you can live forever. Otherwise, your death came. But here one problem come. Already Ramchandra gave Vibhishan Lanka's kingdom. Or Lakshman saying, Ram can live you forever. All Angad also said like that. That means what? Ram is so kind, so merciful. If Raman change, first thing Raman not change. Suppose he change, he become devotees. Then Ramchandra said to, okay, I cannot give Vibhishan Lanka, I can give Ajodhyas, and I stay forever in forest. Because Ram means no Bhagavan, or Bhagavan means no Aisvarja Samagrasya Brijasya Jasasasya Gyan Vairagya. So much Vairagya. Mahaprabhu left everything. For them, nothing problem they can do. When this Dut returned, Raman asking, tell, what is going on? You see them or they return? They must return because name of Maya who not return, who like to attack to me. Then this Duta said, Prabhu, don't be angry. If like right thing hearing accurate, then I can tell accurately. When your brother went there, Ram immediately make him king of Lanka. When they heard I am messenger of Raman, they start to beat me, but in the name of Ramchandra I protect. Hey, what saw there you? What I not saw there? So much Ram's sweetness I saw. And his soldier, how much? If someone like to count to them, they are very foolish. 18 Padmas means no, like many million billion, no. Only leader of army, commanders, or under one commander, how many armies? 18 Padam, no. Crore, 10 crore, Arab, Kharab, Nil, 10 Nil, Padma. Means so much you cannot count. And saying, there's big monkeys, Angad, Nil, Nal, Gab, Gavach, Mand, Duvid, and Jamban. They are Bikat Rasi, so powerful. And who came Lanka and killed your son Achay Kumar of Barna to Lanka? He's one small messenger. He's nothing. Jaipur Dav Hateo Sutta Tora Sakal Kapin Matei Balathora. He is the very big, I think he is the last number of big person. If weakness is more big than everyone and all are more strong. When he so much start to glorifying, then Raman hit also him. You are eating my bread and I said to right thing on his, but saying I'm not making any plan, no. What I saw, this thing I'm telling. So he's liberated by that Rakshas form and he went returned to his Sarupas. Ramchandra came, cross oceans, because countless monkey, bridge is big but still there's not space to walk. So many monkeys starting to flying. Some monkeys sitting on crocodile, fish, shark. Chalo, cross me. Anyhow, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Sugriv, Jai Lakshman, like this type also. They came, when came on another side, there's many asuras moving surrounding around to Lankas. The monkeys catch 5-10 Rakshas beating, and monkey. Raman said, what happened? Saying many monkeys came. Many monkeys came, how possible? Because Ramchandra, that time Raman so scared and saying ocean is not small. Bandhos toy nidhi, nirnidhi, jaladi, nadis, 10 name of oceans, no? Bharadhi, this water's 10 name, ocean's 10 name. So this toy nidhi, nirnidhi, jal nidhi, nadis, Bharadhi, Payodhi, Udadhi, Jaladhi. One bird can say no, but his 10 birds of oceans, name of oceans telling. Make bridge. And some Raman was, if one time 10 mouth speak, that time you understand your last time. He always not using 10 heads, same time speak. One speak, 9 rest. But today is scared, every head start to talk. That time Mandodari again teaching to Raman, Prabhu, aha kant ram krita barodha, kala vivasman upajana bodha. You are under of death, this cause you no understand. You make to Ram's enemy, against. Still you have time. That time Raman saying, don't teach to me. Look my 20 arm. Many Lokpal, Digpal came, I smash everyone. So Raman no hearing, he went assembly sitting, and too much tension. When too much tension, then what do? Too much tension, material people like drink and like to some dance, party. So Raman allowed all call Apsaras, singer, Gandharvas are singing, Apsaras are dancing, and Raman start to drink and saying, don't worry, everything is okay. That time, this sound coming, music sound, Raman's all crown so much shining, lightning. Ramchandra's another side, mountain of swell sitting. Ramchandra also very good scenery. Raman's no, Asuras type behaving, Ramchandra's lie down on head is putting to Lakshman's lap, and one side Sugriv's, one side Hanuman's massaging, Hanuman massaging like this, and many niceness. Angad and Angad Hanuman is massaging, Jamban is next to him sitting, Sugriv another side sitting, Vibhishan one side sitting, Lakshman one side. So Ramchandra so beautiful scenery. And he's discussing, asking to Vibhishan, this is a cloud sound coming, or this lightning? Saying no, this is music sound. Or this is Raman's 10 crown of his head, this is looks like lightning. Oh, that means Raman try to show I am okay, no problem. He so much like to enjoy. Then Ramchandra just one arrow shoot, and these 10 heads all crown dropped. When dropped, then Raman could not understand, because when this arrow came, when hit, when drop, he was so absorbed on party, no? So all drop on ground, then all Asuras are looking, this is very inauspicious. Suddenly this all crown going to down, means it's not good for king. But Raman very intelligent. He's make some story, saying this dropping crown is nothing inauspicious. Because Raman's when 10 head dropping, 10 heads I cut and put on fire, then non-auspicious. So which head is dropping not be unauspicious, Then crown dropping, what is unauspicious? These were talking and returned to home. Mandodari again telling, many times Mandodari tried to, because this one chaste lady, this name of Tara, Mandodari, Sita, Savitri, these all ladies, very great ladies. They are so religions, so learned, understand it. But Raman no hearing, just saying, ladies know so much restless, so much this, so much that, so much bold. Many way try to Rajniti, but all ladies not like that. Some are very good, some are can be Katyayani, some Gargis, some Maitri, this like Sita, Savitris. This good also, no all 100% like this. But Raman another way, her bird not give so much weight. Ramchandra asking what to do now. Jamban again saying one more chance give to Raman. This is the nitis, what called niti, politics. Telling before attack, one messenger send last message, and then if no here, then we will attack. Who will go? Jamban said, now necessary send to Angad. I know, you know everything. Who will teach you? But what my experience I am telling. Why? Because if again sent to Hanuman, then Raman thinks his party only one person, that is Hanuman. So necessary one message also give him, we have no only Hanuman, like Hanuman we have many. The Ramchandra said to Angad, what I will teach you? Your son of Bali is so intelligent. So just go and what is good, this way behave. Angad touching to Ramchandra lotus feet and saying, Prabhu, he give me so much honor, so much respect. I very lucky, I got some service. So Bali is no, Angad is son of Bali, is like same type of bold, like fearless. He walk like young lion. He no scare. Walking in the street, he visit one son of Raman. He's playing with another friends. He asking, oh monkey, where going? Then he's very angry. Hey, why you asking me? Then both are young. He punch one, then he start to wrestling, and then he's killed to him. And he walking, came to main gate. Then Asura saying, Prabhu, I think same monkey again return. But I don't know who is, but he came. Raman said, okay, call inside. Angad went inside. When inside, there all assemblies people stand up. Raman very angry. Your Prabhu is sitting, why you stand up? Angad, your Guru, who's this monkey is whose? But they scare, no, because they know one monkey came, what problem did. So they try to, we have no any mistake because he is pushing us what we can do. So anyhow, Raman asked, कहा दसकंद कवंते बंदर, रामदूत मैं सुन दसकंदर. कहा दसकंठ कवंते बंदर. अरे मंकी, तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Angad said, I am messenger of Raghubir. मैं रघुवीर दूत दसकंद. I just came to tell, because my father with you was some relationship, friend relation. This cause I like to warning. He just returned to Sita Devi. And you forever stay in Lanka, your dynasty of Pulastya Muni is so much did Shiv's bhaktis. You are so much famous. You defeat to all Lokpals, Dikpals, all demigods. So Pulastya Vansha is one like your moon. So stay forever. अभी चलो राज करहूं. और this only possible, take Sita Devi on all Mandodris and another your wife, or they so respectfully walk with Sita Devi. You put your head some cloth and mouth put some grass and say Pahi Mam Trahi Mam Raghuvans Siromani He Ramchandra, protect me, save me. If this step do, I think Prabhu all your offense forgive. Raman become very angry. Hey, you are saying your father, me, some friend. Who is your father? Then Anga say, you heard name of Vali? Raman know who is Vali. Many days putting him in arm. But Raman making some drama. He's tried to, yes, one monkey was Vali, yes. But where is now? Raman no Vali killed by Ramchandra, but still is making some story. Where is like no politics? Angad said, don't ask me, after 10 days you can visit directly. And he will give you, be engaged to Ramchandra, what problem come? Which type of species come? So like, because Angad also very expert, every question answer very nicely given. Oh, foolish, you try to buy politics defeat to me, but politics work. Where's not Raghunath lotus with bhaktis, which heart full of Prabhu's surrender, this heart you cannot change by your politics. So just forget this everything on what I am telling this way here. So each other too much discuss, too much talk. Angad said, that time Raman own glorifying notes. Who is like me? Saying yes, but also another side look. One side looking, I am very big, I carrying Kailas Parvat, I defeat all Dikpals, but another side also Sahasra Arjun, Bali and Bali defeat you. Remember to that. And also remember to Ramchandra, how is powerful. So Raman too much tried to politics, saying what is Ramchandra's power? Istriya Bali Nignan Kamand Khar Tadka. Istriya Bal Jad Nignan Kamand Khar Tadka. Saying Ramchandra's killed to Tadka, that is ladies. And this Khardusan child. And Kamand is like Pangu. Deformed means he has no leg. Lamb. So if he killed to one Kamand, one ladies, one child, and he become Dharmatmas, then who is religion's people? He can tell. So he start to criticize to Ramchandra, then saying, don't know Ramchandra by whose name Parsuram, which darshan is change and who make to bridge or like this. Many he's also telling, but after saying too much, he start to criticize to my Prabhu. Or Raman said, this time human and monkey we are making everyday breakfast. So be no scare. Then Angad say, Ram kas manusre satbanga. Oh foolish Raman, Ram is human. Ganga is ordinary rivers. Prabhu surrender is ordinary things. Then Angad is speaking become very angry and two hands, when too much angry, because criticize to Ramchandra, is hit to ground. On hitting, then whole earth shake. Raman's what call it? Asans, Singhasan. Throne of Raman shake on his cannot balance on his maybe 5-6 crown drop from his head. So 2-3 is pick up and again putting, but 2-3 is Angad took and throw from there. 4 crown. This came to Ram place, Hanuman pick up from sky. Then Angad said, your Lanka is like what call? Inside Lanka, all you are staying like fig fruit. Do you know fig? Inside fig, many small seed. You are like that. All is small seed. And I am monkey. A monkey eating to this type food not take too much time. So I can anything do. But problem for me, my purpose not order. Otherwise I can break your mouth and carry you and also Janki Devi everything and bring to Ramchandra place. The Raman saying, your father not talk like that. From where you learn these all things? You are lavar. Do you know lavar? Means speaking but nothing to doing. Then Angad say, yes, because I cannot take out your 20 tongue. I know break your 10 head or 10 tongue. I could not take off your 20 arm not report. This cause I am really lavar. So that time Angad very angry and his own one what called foot put on the ground and said, if anyone can pull my this foot, I promise Ramchandra will return, we will not come here. Then Raman thinking this is good idea. A small thing do on everything protect. He also scared inside from fight, but saying monkeys, no monkey, no, is like. So he's called to Rakshas, just take out this foot and throw in oceans. So one asur, two asur, crores asuras together, even Meghnath, but no one can move 1 inch. Then last Raman also stand up. Then Angad said, why you touching to my feet? This way not your auspicious. You like really touch, then come to my Prabhu's lotus feet. The time Raman lost everything. Hanuman all smashed and returned to Ramchandra place. Pranam. Then big kathas, now so much time. This katha go jugas, Hari Ananta, Hari Katha Ananta, Gavai Sunai Sab Bahu Vidhi Sabasant. Then attack, first day attack, Hanuman and Angad. They jump on roof and where is no dome and where is colors, putting this, moving and throwing. Monkeys are catching to asuras and smashing, like scratching. And these two, Hanuman or Angad, one become angry, all asuras scared, running, saying one monkey enough, now two. Raman said, all are running, every day nice food eating, and now life like so प्यारा लगता है, क्या बोलते हैं, love your life. So, पूरा माल उड़ाया पूरा जिंदगी में और अब प्राण अच्छे लगने लगे, whole life my things. So saying, who will return? No fight, I will kill to them. Then all asuras again came big fight. After Prahasta came, Makaraj came, Kumbh came, many different asuras, very powerful. Some are killing by Hanuman, some killed by Angad, some killed by Jamban. Then Kumbhakarna came, Prabhu killed him, he's very powerful. Meghnath killed by Lakshman. On last Raman, he also killed by Ramchandra. Mandodari and all Lankas. Ladies are start to crying. And Mandodari said, I again said but he not believed to my word. Janyo manuja kar danuja kanan dahan pavak hari swayam. Jehi navat siva brahmadi surapiya bhajahu nahi karunamayam. Ajanmate paradroharat papaugamaya tav tanu ayam. Tumahu diyo nija dham ram namami brahm niramay. It not believe Ramchandra's supreme personality. He just thinking he is like ordinary king's boy. Rajkumar, who is the burning of fire of burning to all Asuras forest. So he whole life did nonsense, all bad sin, but still Prabhu give you some position, some muktis. Because Bhagavan, enemy and devotees, both giving place, but much different. Some are going to ray of sun or some are getting direct to sun. So mukti is like one light of Bhagavan, Jyotis, Brahma Jyotis. So getting Brahma Jyotis or getting Krishna Swarup Seva, both are not same thing, but both is auspicious. So Raman got this time muktis. After Jagai Madhai time, no, Mahaprabhu fully liberate him, no, bring to his original Swarup Sevas. That is another kathas. Immediately Ramchandra's called to Vibhishan and burned to Raman's all sanskar done. And Hanuman went to Sita Devi's place and this message passed. Prabhu killed to all Raman's, all families, everyone. Also killed Raman. Janki Devi very happy and saying, "Oh Hanuman, for this message what I can pay to you?" Nothing, just Sita Mata giving blessing to Hanuman. Ajar Amar Gun Nidhi Sutta Hohu, Karahu Bahut Raghunayak Chohu. You stay long, you become Ajar Amar. Hanuman and Vibhishan is still this earth. Ramchandra gives so much love and affection to you. You become great Bhaktas of Ramchandra. Hanuman so happy that time. Order of Ramchandra's Vibhishan sent to Palkis and Janki Dev is coming that Palkin. This all kathas no. Then Lakshman brought to wood and fire on Janki's give no exam. She go inside on original Sitas who was hidden before. She came out, Maya Sitas in that time. Vibhishan saying, "Prabhu come." Saying, "No, is Lakshman will go and he will give kingdom." His Vibhishan sitting that place and many things like to give Ramchandra. Ramchandra said, "This all gift drop from sky and all monkey can take." So niceness cloth, niceness ornament, Vibhishan is dropping from sky and all monkeys nice cloth, dhotis and kurtas and all rings, no, bangles, everything bearing, and many monkeys with Ramchandra came Ajodhya, and many monkeys. Ramchandra said, "We so much did for us, what I can pay you?" So you just remember, and here there you go and stay in forest and eat fruits and drink nice water and just like this. So remember, Ramchandra said to Vibhishan, "Quick, because if I late one day, then I cannot find to my Bharat, because Bharat promised me after 14 years, if one day below delay, then you cannot find your Bharat." So immediate Pushpak Viman came, Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devis, and all Hanuman, Jamban, Vibhishan, Sugriv, Angad, this all what called ride, no, on plane. चलत विमान कोलाहल होई जय रघुबीर कहाई सब कोई. Viman start on very fast. These planes came to Sringvirpur. There Nisad waiting for Ramchandra. Kevat also waiting. They run. Ramchandra embracing to Nisad. Ati Adam Nisad se Prabhu Bharat jev urlai. Mati mand tulsi das Prabhu moha bas bisra. Embracing to Nisad Raj and then sent to Hanuman. Go and quick pass my message. Ram, Lakshman, Vaidehis are returning. All are auspicious. Everything is okay. That time Hanuman become Brahman form. Came to Nandigram. Look to Bharat Maharaj. His dreadlock, one cloth, so skinny. And Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Sri Ram, just chanting Prabhu's name. That time Hanuman said, "Prabhu's with Sita Devi, Lakshman, all are coming." When heard that time Bharat become like so intoxicated and saying, "Who are you?" "I am Hanuman." "Oh Hanuman, what I can give you?" Just Bharat embracing. On asking, "Tell me truth." निज दास ज्यों रघुवंश भूषण कबहु मम सुमरन कियो, सुनि भरत बचन विनीत अति पुलकित तन कपि चरणन पर। रघुवीर निज मुख जासु गुण गण कहत अग जगन्नाथ जो, काहे न होई विनीत परम पुनीत सद्गुण सिंधु। Bharat asking, my Prabhu remembering sometime like servant, I not did any sevas. Hanuman saying, how cannot speak like that, your brother of Ram Chandra's Prabhu. Hanuman that time touching Bharat lotus feet, saying, you're so humble, so sweet, so pure. Your heart is not any duplicities. Prabhu's day and night just remembering to you. Like you, who can be near dear to Prabhu? भारत सरिस को राम सनेही, राम जप जग राम जप जय. Goswami Tulsidas writing, like Bharat, who can be Ramchandra's very near dear? Whole world chanting Ram, 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 or Ramchandra Prabhu chanting Bharat, Bharat, Bharat. My Bharat, my Bharat. That time Bharat Maharaj said to Ajodhya Vasis, decorate road, make Bandhanwar, make gate, make all auspicious Mangal Kalas, everything. My Prabhu is coming. All Ajodhya's people, when heard, they become so happy. Kausalya mother, Kaikai mother, Suvitra mothers, how they are happy, who can explain? They making Aarti, everything. Ram Lakshman came and visit, meeting, Pranam to Gurudevs, Pranam to mothers, and his visit to Bharat. And Bharat, Ramchandra, own hand, his dreadlock opening, own hand making to Bharat's bath. This is no opposite. Sometimes Bhakti do Bhagwan Seva, but Bhagwan sometimes too much mercy. He like to serve own Bhaktas. That time Ram is crying. Ajodhya Vasis no like to wait. No tomorrow, today should be Ramchandra Rajyabhisek. All brothers take bath and Ram Lakshman Sita's Devi's bath. Ram Lakshman sitting, Ram Sita Devi sitting on Singhasan throne. Vasishtha Muni came, all tilaks, samgris. And Pratham tilak Vasishtha Muni dinaha, punya vipran kar asis dina. Pratham tilak Vasishtha Muni kinaha, punya vipran kar asis dina. First tilaks putting by Vasishtha Muni, his Gurudevs, and then all Brahmans, Rishis, Munis, they give Ashirwad. All demigods are dropping flower, Parijat flower, Apsaras are dancing, Gandharva are singing, and all Sut, Magad, Bandijan start to glorifying to Ramchandras. Bolo Raja Ramchandra Ju ki Jai. This type Ram becomes king of Ajodhyas, and Vedas came, they start to stuti, Jaya Jaya Jahiya Jam Ajita Dosa Gribhita Gunang Tvamasi Jadat Mana Samabaruda Samasta Bhaga Aga Jagadoka Sam Akhila Sakta Babodhakate Kwachid Jayat Mana Chacharatanu Charen Nigam. That time Shivji also came, he also doing prayers. Jai Ram Rama Ramanam Savanam Bhavatap Bhayakul Pahi Janam Avades Suresh Ramesh Vibho Saranagat Mangat Pahi Prabhu. He Ramakant, He Rama Raman, He Abdes, He Suresh, I fully want to your lotus feet surrender. And just one benediction, Bar 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 Mangahu, Hars Dehu Sri Rang, Pad Saroj Anapayani Bhakti Sada Satsang. Always your lotus feet bhaktis, satsang, sadhus association. More than that I no want. Bharat also came, and through Hanuman asked Bharat Maharaj, asking Bharat, tell me what is nature of sadhus? Who called to sadhus? Ramchandra very nicely described, saying, Bharat, why not directly ask? Hanuman say, feel shy. Say, no, Bharat mean none different. So Ramchandra very nice definition gave of sadhu, what is Goswami Tulsidas mentioning. विषय अलंपट सिल गुनाकर पर दुख सुख सुख देखे पर Some abhut ripu bimad viragi, lobha amars hars bhai tyag. Sadhu means they know so much attached to material things. There's so much seal, good behavior, good nature, no rough, no harshness, no. All qualities, jasyasti bhakti bhagavad akinchana sarve gunes tatra samasate sura. Par dukh sukh sukh dekhe par. Another person problem becoming his problem. If looking anyone sad, tension, thinking this is my tension. If all are happy, sadhu feel very happy. So this is the nature of sadhu. Some abhut ripu bimad viragi. He is equal to everywhere. With enemy, with friend, samasatro cha mitre cha tatha manapavanayo sitesna sukh dukhesu samasang vivarjita. What is Bhagavad Gita say? Bimad, no any pride, vairagis, no love, no greed, no angry, no any happy, no any sad, all like neutral. Komal chit, so soft heart, and his fallen person gives so much mercy, dinan pardaya. Man kram bacha mama bhakti anmaya. They do so much my lotus with bhakti by mindly, by bodily, by activities, by speak, like fully bhaktis or amaya bhakti. Amaya means no mix anything, no gyan or yogas and karma mixing in bhakti, pure bhaktis. Kuch bhakti, no any demand, no asking. Save punsam paro dharmo jato bhakti radho khaje ahe tu kya pratihata jaja atma samprasidati. So this all nature of bigat kama mama nama parayan. They know any kamna, no any desire, and day and night just remembering to me my naam, gun, lila, kathas. So these all qualities where you stay, that called to sadhus. Asadhus, saying asadhu is like axe. Sant asantan ki asa karni jimi kutar chandan acharni. Axe always try to cut to chandan, but chandan always giving him fragrance. So who cut, he become bald, and after blunt, and after putting in fire and beating him, this is his punishment. So always be soft, simple. So these all kathas on Kak Bhusundri's Gadur's visiting kathas, how Kak Bhusundri's previous life was Sudras, on curse of Gurudev, he become a snake. Shiva curse him because he no respect to Gurudevs. Many these kathas, this all. We are mentioning Ramchandra's two sons, Lava and Kush, Lakshman also two sons, Bharat Maharaj also two sons, Tach and Pushkar, Shatrudhna also two sons. These kathas also mentioning in Ramcharitamanas Goswami Tulsidas, make Ramchandra's king of Ajodhya, no more kathas. But some Purana, different Puranas, how Ramchandra's heard this one man, Basar man, and left to Sita Devi's. Lakshman sent to Valmiki ashram, where love Kush took birth and get all sanskar. When Ramchandra doing Asmed Jagya, then stopped to diet horses, a big fight, who stopped to all Ramchandra's armies, defeat to them. Hanuman or Sugri, they won like one ordinary monkeys, are brought to Sita mothers and say, Mother, one Ajodhya's king, he's saying, I'm big like this. He's writing in horse heads, putting one letter or saying, who will stop this? They have to fight. I defeat all of them. And I brought nice gift, these two monkeys. Hanuman is very powerful monkey. But I don't know, when I shooting him, he become like a small baby. And I bring him. Then Sita Devi, leave. Hanuman is your elder brothers. Sugriv is no king of monkeys. This Hanuman did so much Ramchandra sevas. Ramchandra is your father. This all katha Sita Devi speaking. That time Love Kush left. And then Sita Devi sent to them, go to Ramchandra place and serve to your Prabhus. And Sita Devi also came. Valmiki is promising, but Ramchandra again saying, you have to prove. Then Sita Devi is saying, so much proof, but okay, if I mindly, bodily, and bodily, for always Never think anyone without Ramchandra. This is truth. Then earth give me space. That time earth is broken and Sita Devi is sitting that throne of earth and with mother returned to Bhagwan's Dham. Ramchandra is very angry. But all demigods, Brahmaji said, this is the last of your Leelas. Ramchandra many years staying Ajodhya, nicely ruling. And Ram Raj is Ram Raj. That Raj is not any sad, no any problem. No one dying before time. Everyone dying by his desire. When like, then go. Otherwise, stay forever. दैहिक भौतिक भौतिक दैविक दैहिक भौतिक तापा राम राज काहू नहीं व्याप. Like this. But normally, real tattvas, some Purana saying, Ram and Sita's Devis, Sita never left to Ajodhya. Like Padma Purans, somewhere. With Ramchandras, for some kalpas, sometimes this type Leelas coming, Sita Devi go to forest and go to inside earth. But many kalpas kathas, Ram, Sita's together. Because Sita Devis never left to Ram, Ramchandra never left to Sita Devis. Because each other know, Shaktis and Shaktisman. So they are eternal. What outside looking, this is like just bewildered to us. Like in Bhagavatam said, all Jaduvansis are fighting each other. But actually they are not fighting, they are parikars. This is like called Mayik Leela, no Jadugars, like magician. So Raman kidnapped to Sita's, this is like one type, no? Maya Sita's magic, and Sita Devi is staying Ram left by Apavad. This is just one magic, but in Sarupas, Ram Sita's together. Bolo Siyavar Ramchandra ki. So this is last of Ram Kathas. Next Sunday, maybe some another Kathas we will tell, same time. And now Sita Ram is king of Ajodhya. Bolo Sita Ram, Ram Ram, Raja Ram, Ram Ram. All Ajodhya Vasis are doing artis. आरती उतारो सब मिली प्रभु राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम की. आरती उतारो सब मिली प्रभु राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. वाम भाग में विराजे पूज्य माता जानकी, चरणों की सेवा साजे मौज हनुमान की. दक्षिण भैया है, दक्षिण लखन भैया सेवा निष्काम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. आरती उतारो सब मिले प्रभु राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. केवट पे कीनी कृपा चरण धुलाए, सवेरे को माता मानी मांगे फल खाए. गिधे को बिठा के गोद गति दिन निज धाम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम के. आरती उतारो सब मिले प्रभु राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. रामन को मारे सब देव सनाथ हुए, सिंहासन बैठे आप त्रिभुवन नाथ. सारा जग बोल उठा जय हो राज राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. आरती उतारो सब मिले प्रभु राम के, दिन बंधु पतित पावन घन श्याम. नया भव सिंधु में खे भैया कोई और नहीं, किसको सुनाऊं दुख में टैया कोई और। बिगड़े बना दो प्रभु बिगड़े गुलाम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन। आरती उतारो सब मिली प्रभु राम की, दिन बंधु पतित पावन। सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा। सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम। सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम, सीता। श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम। हम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम। श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम। हम श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम। श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम। कौशल्या के प्यारे राम, कौशल्या के दशरथ राज दुलारे राम, दशरथ राज। श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय जय। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, राजा राम जू की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, राम लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न जू की जय। श्री कौशल्या माता की जय, कैकेयी माता की जय, सुमित्रा माता की जय, श्री दशरथ महाराज की जय, समस्त अयोध्या वासी की जय, सरजू की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंद, श्री गुरुदेव की जय।